Our master kinders, and welcome back, fellow Zam Jammers. Thank you to every single one of you for pulling through to this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you like content creation, or if you follow people who do it, if you're interested in the topic, then this is going to be a very interesting video for you. Why? Because we're going to AMPD Studios, which is made for content creators, and we're hosting a content creator workshop with CreateZA. So before I get more into it, I'm going to say drop a like for all of these things that I've just said, subscribe to become a Zam Jammer, and watch this awesome little intro sequence, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about AMPD Studios and also these workshops.
I dreamt I slept on the sidewalk, but you still laid with me. I dreamt I fell in a lion's den, and you still came for me. You love me when my phone turns off. I don't want to be some digital genius.
AMPD Studios is a space located in Johannesburg, South Africa. It is very near the central point of the city of Johannesburg, and for this reason, it is accessible to creators around the city of Johannesburg. It has facilities like you've seen event spaces for workshops or meetups. It's got a sound system, microphones, lighting, and even sound engineers to manage the sound system and people to manage the lighting. There's also a barista who can be there on the day when you need refreshments. They've also got a videographer with high-end video equipment, some of which you saw the footage of in the intro sequence to this video. So AMPD Studios is a subsidiary of Old Mutual. How do you get in? You simply open an account with Old Mutual, and then you will have access to the AMPD Studios space. Simply by booking, you can book any of the above mentioned features, as well as perhaps recording and producing music that you've got, or a music video. You can use their studio spaces provided you let them know in time and if it is feasible. They want to help creators. That is amazing. They also have many creator workshops. So go through to the space, get tapped into their network, and you will find out about all of these amazing tips and tools. Lastly, what is CreateZA doing at AMPD Studios? Well, CreateZA does a lot of events and workshops. We've done about 50. At least half of them have been physical meetups around the country, like this one. And how do those workshops work? Well, we normally have 3 presenters from 3 different fields. This event was interesting because it was our first event where we felt we should migrate just from YouTube to TikTok and Instagram. So we had the Jooce ZA, established YouTube content creators in South Africa, as well as Steph 3925 to present on TikTok. TikTok South Africa actually attended this workshop. You'll see Shoko was asking a question in the beginning of the intro sequence. It was really cool. He even recruited some of the creators at our workshop over there for their creator program to help them grow. Steph, after that event, grew like to over 20K. I think she's way past that now. Isn't that awesome? So the fact that these events stimulate growth is really cool. We also had Dumisa Rankin from Josh and Dumisa. They have a production company and also a prestigious Instagram account. Dumisa presented on collaboration and specifically coming from an Instagram background. Then we have the panelists. These people field questions from the creative community, answering questions about their experience on the platform that they are established in. This is all brought together by an MC, as well as perhaps some entertainment or music to promote the creative community in South Africa. We had Duncan Patch at this event, which was really cool. I'm really excited to announce that this was just one of so many more cool events that we've got planned, workshops for around South Africa this year. It's very likely that we will be touring to each of the major cities and ourselves giving presentations that launch the CreateZA Academy, taking everything we've learned from more than the past 50 events that we've hosted across the country and online, and presenting it to you in content that'll help you raise your standard of content creation. So stick around for that. It's really exciting. CreateZA Academy is already starting and kicking and running. I'm so excited to share all of that with you. But for now, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about these events, search CreateZA on YouTube and you will see so many other creators' vlogs of these events. And I'm so grateful for everyone who does that, because honestly, with this channel, I used to be quite consistent until I started focusing a lot more on the community and creating these events around the country. Now it's paying off and we have teams working together to make things possible, and it's more of a full-time thing that we're doing right now, combined with CreateZA Media, doing people productions and managing their socials. So it's exciting. If you haven't yet subscribed, do please subscribe and you will become a Zam Jammer. I explore culture in South Africa. I'm in the creative space. I'm starting a company. It started at this point and we're basically maintaining it. It's a lockdown company. Myself, Tenny Bear, Caleb Jansons, and so many other people in the creator community of CreateZA. It's really exciting. So stick around for all of that. Drop a like if you haven't already. Give me some comments. I would love to know how you're doing, what you thought of this video, and what you're thinking of my content journey right now, because I'm really excited. If you look, there are a few cool videos from this year already and we're only getting started. So thank you very much, and until next time, cheers guys.